Hey guys, it's the Fallen One with this dude.
Hi. I'm a
And
bit camera shy.
We're at a car show.
Man, that's Kia, bro.
We're at a car show. Is there no filming allowed? Do we have to be quiet? Where's the cars? This is, dude, I really just, wait. You want
This
to
is
do
the
like
Overwatch
flips?
Museum.
Dude, this is, dude. Dude, look at the beaches. What are you doing? Dude, look at all these cars.
Man, look at all these cars.
Dude, look at those cars. Dude, I want that one right there.
Yep, I like
I love blue bananas, bro.
No chill. I don't have chill.
I don't have chill because I'm too hot for chill.
My name isn't Bill either.
I Netflix and chill.
Netflix and Bill. Hey, you don't want the camera to be pointing at
Drive.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's
Dude,
men over there.
Akron, do you need to go potty?
Yes.
Dude, let's go potty.
That sounds pretty gay. Hey, you want to jack off in the stalls?
The hobos do it all the time, Mom. It's okay. Hey. Wait, was that Sammy? Akron. The hobos do it all the time. It's okay. Come on,
Hey,
Mom.
you want the camera to be pointing at people or yourself?
I could see your non-existent hairline, bro.
Hey, you probably don't want people to see the bathroom.
Look at this biscuit cheese.
You don't want people to see.
Look at a mop in here, bro.
You're wrong for running. Okay.
I'll use my own money so my dad can, you know, be satisfied because he gave me some money. Because we're going to a car show. Hi, Chris. We're hyped up and we want coffee. We're hyped up and we want coffee.
Yeah, I'm gonna go after
Run.
Shh, don't say anything. Don't worry about it.
Hey, ticket.
So over there is the Camaros, which are my dream cars. And then there's this. It's so cute. Oh my god. This is so cool.
Car for show.
Look at it. Dude, don't you have a McLaren?
Yes.
What do you have? Where?
$2 million. Got it in GTA.
Oh my gosh, in GTA. Tell me more.
I bought $100 on for.
There's so many cars, and I'm only sitting in the Chevy one.
I
because
spent
those are my favorites.
$100.
I spent nothing. I spent $60 on GTA, and then
Dude, I could hide you in this place right now. It's high noon. With
no.
no heart.
Hey. Hold this. I'm legit Reaper though. Die. Kill Death Blossom. It's high noon.
What's it?
Look at it. Oh my gosh.
What's up, girls? Here, all of these cars are mine.
Dude, listen song.
Stop. No. Gay.
I got no. There's another troop. Ooh, troop.
Man, look at all these.
I drive cars.
I drive people.
Remember? I drive cars.
I ride people. Hi.
Hi there.
I like your cars.
Don't look down. We're such jacks.
Man, I love it when my mom doesn't come and look at what I do.